Okay, look at this huge eggplant. Okay, I grill this into air fryer. So too big, I cut into half and just poke with the fork to release some air for that when grilling. And look at this. So into the grill, and I have eggs, spring onion, chopped chili, chopped tomato, and chopped cilantro. So beat the eggs and mix the spring onion, tomato, and our cilantro, and chopped chilies, and salt, and some chicken stock. So mix that everything, and then I'm gonna peel my eggplant. So look at that, easy to peel, right? Because it's grilled. And look, and no water, it's not water because eggplant will absorb water. So dip into the egg mixtures, and yeah, up into our non-stick pan, and yeah, voila, look at this. It's easy and fast. Eggplant omelette. This is a Filipino dish. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it.